Okay, students, so we get to the last type of graph that we are going to learn about. And this one is called the dot plot. And like all the other ones, this one also has a title. Yes, it has a title. So this one we use a line with tick marks that represent the subjects that we're talking about. So we're still talking about favorite subjects, and we have to see how many students chose each subject. So in this type of graph, you see the title says dot plot. What do you think we're going to use here to help us represent the information? Yes, we're going to be using dots to help us represent the information. Now, so right here, math. Let's see, how many did we say math? How many students voted for math as their favorite subject? 8. So guess what? We're going to put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 8 students chose math. 8 dots. What about science? How many students chose science? 6. So we're going to put 6 dots. 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in science. And this last one, reading. How many students chose reading? 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is how you represent the same data, the same information using a dot plot. You use dots to represent the amount of students that chose them. Okay? So I want you to see we use the same information in all of the tables that we learned about. So information and data can be represented in multiple ways. This information represents the same information as this one, and it represents the same information as this one. So it's the same information, but represented in a different way. Now, during this week, the activities, you're going to use this information to solve problems. So for example, one of the questions could ask you, how many students chose math as their favorite subject? And you can come to your dot plot, your pictograph, or your bar graph, or even a frequency table to see how many students chose math. So you can come and count and say, oh, 8 students chose math. So you'll be using these tables to answer questions.